Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is lesson 10, items on which tayammum is permissible. Items on which tayammum is permissible. In lesson 8 we did tayammum and the method of tayammum. Lesson 9 we did the rules of tayammum, and this lesson number 10 in which we are going to do and we are going to learn about items on which tayammum is permissible and some items on which tayammum is not permissible. The first one is, it is permissible to make tayammum on all substance which are from the earth. It is permissible to make tayammum on all substance which are from the earth. Like the first one is clean soil, as you can see. The second one, stones, as you can see here. The third one is lime, which is the white sand which is used for building also, and the fourth one is clay. So on these things the tayammum is permissible to make. Number 2 is, if an object is made from any substance of the earth. If an object is made from any substance of the earth, it will be permissible to make tayammum on it. It will be permissible to make tayammum on it, even if it has no sand or dust on it. Even if it has no sand or dust on it, because these things are made from dust and clay. So tayammum will be permissible on these things. As for example, you can see unpainted bricks, as you can see here. On these bricks tayammum can be made. In the same way, unbaked pots, as you can see here, you can make tayammum on these pots. Number 3 is, it is permissible to make tayammum on all items which have thick dust on them. It is permissible to make tayammum on all items which have thick dust on them. As you can see here, this wood, this table has a thick dust on it, so we can make tayammum on this. Number 4 is things on which tayammum cannot be made. It is not permissible to make tayammum on the following items. It is not permissible to make tayammum on the following items if they do not have thick dust on them. If they do not have thick dust on them. The first one is wood. Second one, metals, glass. Then number 4 is anything that burns into ash. Anything that burns into ash. For example, paper burns into ash, the cloth burns into ash, wood also burns into ash. So anything that burns into ash, tayammum is not permissible on it. Number last is anything that melts or rots. Anything that melts or rots. For example, plastic melts or food rots. So tayammum is not permissible on these items if they do not have thick dust on them. In the last is, note, in this lesson, on the last, the sentence items on which tayammum is permissible. This sentence, items on which tayammum is permissible, it is wrong. This sentence should not be here. Jazakumullahu khaira wa ahsanal jaza. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.